This is Tony Leonardo from Rosemont News, and here I bring to you the very first scrimmage game of the soccer season.
Stay with him, Angel. Find someone. Got a boy, Dom. Way to be strong, buddy. There you go. There you go. Can I get a sub, sir?
Yeah, huh? They are going to stay.
I hope we can edit this. Because our voices are probably...
I'm not too worried.
Dom. You gotta go. Go side on it. Go side on. Good. Let's go, Angel! Take it in, Leo, take it in! Take a shot! Take a shot!
I know, that was me yelling at that one. You should just say Aiden as your multiple. Take a seat.
You have to zoom in or out before you start recording. So for a little bit, he was actually making money writing. And then something really funny happened. Yeah, almost. And that's the game. There goes the very first scrimmage game of the season. Soccer boys got a long way to go, but let's see how they fare this time. Let's go Runners. Well, this is Tony from Rosemont News, and here I am with Fernando Loza, number 22 of the varsity soccer team for Rosemont High School. Tell me, how do you think you did tonight at the game?
Well, me personally, I think I could have done better in the team, but we need to work on things.
What are the things you think you have to work on?
We need to work in like our chemistry, how we play together. It's like practically a brand new squad.
Do you think you guys could have done a better job tonight?
Well, we did as much as we could, and it'll get better.
I mean, I was watching along. I think you guys did pretty decent. What about you? What do you think? How do you think the whole team performed?
As a squad, we played good, yeah. For like the first time being that we played together.
And how do you think the rest of the season is going to be?
It looks promising.
Who are you playing tonight?
We're playing AV High School.
Do you think you can do better than them?
Yeah, we know.
I'm pretty sure you're going to do it next time. Well, thanks for your time.
Samantha Ness from the Rosemont News here with Coach Ramos. Coach, how do you feel like how the team did in the game tonight?
You know what? The score might not have shown what the kids really had to offer. I thought we did a good job against AB. The first half was 1-0, and then we made some switches in the second half, and they wound up getting a couple of fluke goals on us, but it was fine. It was a good job. They did a good job, and we have a good base to work off of with these kids, so it's good.
How do you feel that you're going to build the kids for the rest of the season?
Oh, they'll be fine. We have a lot to work with. There's a lot of potential there, so yeah, we'll be good.
Some of the players seemed like they had problems with their errors. What do you suggest for them to improve their errors and work together as a team?
It's still preseason, so we're still working on some of those rusty little bits, and so as the season progresses, they'll be fine.
How do you feel that they work together chemistry-wise?
Chemistry-wise, the starting 11 did a fantastic job. As we started subbing people in the first half, it was not too bad, but second half we made a bunch of changes, and so the chemistry's going to be off.
Thank you for your time.
No problem, my pleasure.